Michael, thanks for watching this video. Very quick introduction to the platform as discussed to give you an idea of whether you would like to proceed or not with a trial. So here is the admin app. We'll go very quickly through it. t-r-admin.app is the login or the web address. Log in then with the credentials I give you in the email. We'll sign in there. And here we go. The main basis of the platform is this team structure. So you can see here I've created this top level team called Agnail. This is just for demo purposes. And underneath that then I have clients. I have site 1 and I have site 2. As you see, on the clients here we might have client A, B, C, D, E. I can add a new one very quickly. We'll add client F. And then under any of those clients we can create a structure. Site wise, product wise, area wise, whatever sort of groupings you need, you can create them underneath that. A trainee can be a member of one or more teams. It's up to you. So for example, this site down here, I have baling, dispatch, processing yard. Just again, an example. And in that site then, we have admins. So I have an Agnail Demo here who's an admin. A user can be an admin or a trainee. So here we go into the trainees then. You see Agnail Demo is there. And there's another trainee here called Agnail 1-Demo. And within these demo or within these trainee accounts then they have a role. So it could be yard staff, drivers, whatever you want, you just type it in. And then after you have your trainees in, obviously then you need a course. So this is the courses section. So these are the courses related to this particular team. These other teams have a different set of courses. This one has none. So site 1 has 2 courses associated with it, manual handling and training room intro. Now, to give you, again, a very quick introduction to how the courses work. Here's a course. It's in a Google Doc, which I could have taken straight in from a Microsoft Word document. I just import it into Google Drive and it will convert it into Google Docs. So here it is. How it gets into our platform is using this add-on here on the side. Let me just move myself over to the other side. So this is the add-on that links this document into the Training Room platform. So just to show you how quickly this works, I'm going to change that. So to say Introduction to Training for Docs View Agnail. 2 important things. Checkpoints help us to turn a document into a training course. You can put as many checkpoints as you want into a training session. They have a timer so that the trainee can't rush past them. And also questions. You can put in as many questions as you want into a training course, and they are single or multiple choice. This is a very simple question. Answer is yes, and the answer then is yes, which is correct or no. So that's what I have in this course. So now I'm quickly going to update it. So we'll hit update in the add-on. That'll go off and do its business. Course updated successfully is there now. And we'll go back over into the training room application. This is the training room intro course. So we'll just give that a little second to update. And there it has updated. Introduction training View Agnail, as you've seen. So the checkpoint is there, 10 seconds is now in the document, and there's the question, answer is yes, it's now inside the training course. So that's good to go. So now we will go over to our trainees and we'll choose Agnail Demo, and we are going to assign Agnail Demo a couple of courses. So we're going to select both of those courses now, Manual Handling Theory and Training Intro. We want them done by tomorrow, and we hit assign. So that will now go off and assign those 2 courses, and you'll see them updating here now whenever the course is ready to view. There's the first one is ready, and there's the second one is ready. So now we have our teams, we have our trainees, we have our courses, our content there. Last one I'll show you before you go into the trainee app is the matrix. The matrix is our main report. It lets you see what's going on very quickly with your 2 courses. So here you go. There's our members of the team, Agnail Demo and Agnail 1-Demo. And only Agnail Demo has courses assigned. Here they are, manual handling and training room intro. And you can see they're not green because they're not signed, and they're not red, which means they're not overdue. Last and very last thing on the admin app are the access codes. So as I mentioned to you in the email, these are pretty cool in that they allow you to physically locate training on a machine, or they allow you to put an access code on a sticker or on a A4 page for people to add themselves automatically to a team. So the access codes are a zero admin idea. They're allowing you to give trainees self-service into the system. So here I have created one here already, which is an access code for manual handling theory, and you'll see here when I go to view download, this is the access code. So if you scan that QR code, it will take you straight into that code. Okay, that is the admin app. Now we'll jump over into the trainee app, which now is simply t-or.app. So I'm logged in here under the Agnail Demo user. This is exactly how it appears to a trainee. This can be used on a phone, on a tablet, any internet connected device because it's a web app. There's no installing on the person's phone. 120 people plus in Country Clean drivers and helpers have used this. Works very, very successfully. Doesn't clutter up their phone with another app. They can install it if they want to put a shortcut to it. So let's go into, we'll jump into these courses. So I press the play button to access the course. So there's my training room intro document. See, the checkpoint is timing down. I can't go any further in the document, as you can see. I can't scroll any further until this times down. And hit that, and I've got more content. Let's answer my question. Hit that, I got more content, and now I can sign off. As soon as I sign off, jump over here into my matrix again. This is back in the admin app now again, and you can see this has gone green because it has now been signed. So that's done. So that's back into the trainee app now. That one is finished. So we'll now go to the other one, which is the manual handling theory. We'll open it up. It'll load there. Now the cool thing we have here is the ability to translate. So we'll go to Polish here. There we go. Let that go off and translate. You see the text disappears. Translation has started. Give it a second now and it will translate. There we go. Polish is now in. You can see translate into Polish. And here's my checkpoint, which I can now check. And you can see there's like 95 slides in that presentation. So you can see there's more checkpoints that I've put in. I have to wait now until it times down. Won't go through all that. That's your trainee app. That's your admin app. One last thing is we send notifications. You see here you get an email notification. They also get a text message notification. The trainees can log into the trainee app with their phone only. They enter the phone number. If it's registered on the system will send them a text. They then put the code from the text into the system and it allows them access. So it's all very quick, very easy. Hope that is a decent introduction. And if you'd like a trial, let me know and maybe we can move forward. I'd appreciate any feedback you have. You know, I'm always open to suggestions or ideas. As I say, this system is working very, very well in Country Clean for over a year. It's working in Collector and Waterford as well. I've a nice bit of interest from other people. So yeah, thanks very much.